Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to use my Graduation Scrapbook Carousel Template. This template is now live on my Etsy store and you can check the link in the description below. This is how your finished carousel will look on your Instagram feed. Super aesthetic, scrapbook style, and perfect for sharing your graduation memories. So let's get started. First, open the template in Canva. This template works perfectly with a free Canva account, so you don't need Canva Pro to use it. Once you open it, the first step is to upload your own graduation photos. After uploading, simply drag and drop your photos into the frames. Now that the photos are added, let me show you how to create the scrapbook style cutout effect. First, select your photo. Then go to Edit Photo and apply the black and white filter. This step is completely optional, but it gives that classic scrapbook aesthetic. Next, go to Apps and search for the Choppy Crop app. Open it, then start creating your cutout part by clicking around your subject. You can keep the cut close to the subject or leave some extra space depending on the look you want. One important thing, make sure you close the path before clicking crop. Once you click chop, your cutout image will be ready. Now when you drag the cutout over your slide, Canva might try to snap it into the frame. To avoid that, hold Ctrl or Command key while dragging so it stays above the frame as a separate layer. This lets you place it anywhere you want and create that layered scrapbook effect. You can change things like the month, captions, titles, dates, and all the scrapbook notes. For example, if it says May, you can easily change it to June, July, or whichever month you graduated. You can also change the frame outline colors. Click on the outline part and not on the frame to change the color. You can also fully customize all the text elements. Adjust fonts and customize everything to match your own style. If you want to add more scrapbook elements, simply search Scrapbook Elements in Canva. If you're using a free account, make sure to apply the free filter so you only see free-to-use graphics. If you have Canva Pro, you can use any elements you like. Once your design is complete, download it as a PNG for the best quality. Now because this is a carousel, Canva's built-in split image feature may reduce quality. So I recommend using this website. The link is mentioned below. Upload your exported image, set the columns to 5, choose carousel, and split the images. Download all the individual slides. Then simply upload them to Instagram in order, post your carousel, and enjoy. You'll find both the template link and the carousel splitter website in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create with this template.